Hey guys, we're reviewing this. This is the Loop Experience earplugs and hands down the best noise reducer out there. To give you a background, I am a wedding photographer and videographer, and we capture weddings a lot. And we really needed to find a way to reduce the noise while maintaining the ability to hear. And this is hands down it. This is going to be a really good way to reduce or at least eliminate the ability of capturing tinnitus. That's where you get the high pitch buzzing noise. It's going to be a life changer. So this is how it looks like. It comes with the hard case, which is absolutely amazing. Let me open it up and show you how it comes in. So it comes with, we already threw it away because we had these fit exactly to our ear, so we don't need them anymore. So it does come with different ear tips, super easy to remove, and then swap it out with the one that fits exactly with your ear. I believe these are the ones that came standard with mine. I also got one for my wife. She is my partner, and when it comes to weddings, and she needed to swap it out with the smaller version. So make sure it fits perfectly. It already has the reducer pre-installed. This is going to reduce it by 10 decibels, and honestly, it makes a huge difference. You could easily remove it if you don't want it installed. And if you wanted to install it, there's going to be let me see if I could get it to focus. So there is a larger side, a smaller side. The smaller side is going to be a lot more rigid. That is the one that you're going to at least line it up and push it in. And then that's it. It's super, super easy to install. Let me show you how it looks like in my ear. That way you have a good idea how it looks. It's also super stylish, and it's very, very minimal. Like, it's very hard for this to be noticed. It looks like either an earpiece or an earring or something. So let me show you real quick. So this is how it looks like in my ear. Very, very hard to notice. This is the part where you have the white on there. So that's with the reducer. And then this is how it looks like without. It looks so simple. Honestly, it's very hard to even notice when you look at it. It is so amazing. Hands down, one of the best purchases. And considering it's I guess they're kind of expensive because these are just earplugs, but honestly, this is the only earplugs that you need. They are going to last you. We've had this for almost like 2 years now, but this is going to last you so much longer. They're reusable. Honestly, this is the only thing you need to purchase, and it's going to make a huge difference because regular earplugs, they muffle the noise. This still allows you to hear what people are saying, speaking. You could hear. It just reduces the noise. It's just like getting a stereo speaker and then just lowering down the music. You could still hear. It's just reduced. Honestly, buy it. Hands down, the best purchase.